How often do you stop and contemplate the environmental impact of your daily choices? From the food on your plate to the clothes in your closet, every choice woven into the fabric of your daily life leaves a footprint on our planet. Dive into the world of sustainable living, where every decision counts. In this era of environmental consciousness, it's more crucial than ever to understand the impact of our lifestyle choices. By making informed decisions, we can all contribute to the preservation of our planet. Consider this. The food industry is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. A study from Oxford University found that cutting meat and dairy products from your diet could reduce an individual's carbon footprint from food by up to 73%. Switching to a plant-based diet doesn't just benefit your health, it's also a powerful tool for combating climate change. Moving on from diet, think about the clothes you wear. The fashion industry is the second largest polluter in the world, right after the oil industry. It's responsible for approximately 10% of global carbon emissions, more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. By choosing to buy less, opting for second-hand items, or supporting sustainable fashion brands, you can significantly reduce your environmental footprint. Transportation, too, plays a significant role in our environmental impact. Cars and trucks account for nearly 1/5 of all emissions in the United States, emitting around 24 pounds of carbon dioxide and other global warming gases for every gallon of gas. By choosing public transportation or cycling, carpooling, or investing in an electric vehicle, we can drastically diminish the harm caused by daily commutes. To put it into perspective, an average person in the United States has a carbon footprint of about 16 tons, one of the highest rates worldwide. By making more sustainable lifestyle choices, we can reduce this number significantly. In conclusion, every choice we make, from what we eat to how we commute, can have a profound impact on our planet. The food we consume, the clothes we wear, and the means of transportation we choose all contribute to our overall carbon footprint. By choosing a plant-based diet, supporting sustainable fashion, and opting for greener modes of transportation, we can all play a part in mitigating climate change and create a sustainable future. Remember, individual actions can pave the way for large-scale environmental change. It starts with understanding the impact of our choices and taking steps to reduce our environmental footprint. After all, there's no planet B. We're all in this together, and every choice matters. Thank you for watching our video on Work-Life Balance 2.0, the digital age revolution. We hope this video has inspired you to reconsider some of your daily choices and their impact on our planet. Now we want to hear from you. What changes are you planning to make? Which part of the video resonated with you the most? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We value your feedback and would love to engage in a meaningful discussion about sustainable living. We're also open to suggestions for future video topics in line with sustainability and environmental consciousness. Remember, your voice matters in this collective journey towards a greener future. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll know exactly when a new video is posted. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to bring you even more great content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring towards a more fulfilling and blissful lifestyle with us. Bless your heart and see you in the next video.